We had a wonderful question this week about sex after a hysterectomy. So, Laura, you had a hysterectomy at 42 and you've been having orgasms and penetration ever since.
Orgasms and sex is still very pleasurable after a hysterectomy for me. My orgasm changed. I don't feel like the weight of my uterus when I
Mm.
orgasm, and I noticed that was something that I needed to like mourn.
And that's interesting because I've never felt that. I've heard women say that they can feel contractions in their uterus when they have a big wave come in.
Mhm.
I feel it in my pelvic floor. I do not feel it in my uterus.
Again, each one of us, we're all different. How we orgasm is different, and how we experience orgasm is different. But if you have a hysterectomy, just know it may change as
Mhm.
orgasms do throughout our life.
But the orgasm is still there.
Yes.
So, what was critical, Laura, in reconnecting to your body and keeping your vulva and vagina plump and active and juicy?
Okay. Two things: hormone replacement therapy and masturbation. Those two things. So I started out right away getting estradiol. I took estrace orally at first, and I was able to reach orgasm by myself with the magic wand. I gradually added partner sex probably about 6 weeks after, and I controlled penetration always. And so it wasn't really until I was ready, and penetration was always on my terms.
Now, you do anything to supercharge your vagina because you get a little dry after you do the hysterectomy? So, what worked?
Okay, so estradiol, at first, I used estradiol cream, which was okay. But then I discovered estriol cream,
That's the
EST.
good stuff.
Yeah, yes, yes. So that's the weaker estrogen, and it focuses more on the tissue. So you can get that prescribed at a compounding pharmacy, and I would shoot it into my vagina, but you can also massage it on your inner and outer labia near the vaginal opening. And let me tell you, Carlin, when I dabbed a little bit on that, my clit just went woo, like, play
Oh,
touch me
Mama
now,
likes.
right?
This is good. I'm glad we had that hysterectomy because I just got a whole bunch of something wonderful.
Right? Yeah. Exactly. So to feel myself, since I don't have ovaries, I need to take a combination of estradiol, estriol, progesterone, and testosterone. And I need delivery through the skin rather than taking an oral tablet. And again, just like our orgasms, hormone replacement therapy is individual. You have to find what works for you.
You'll do a full hormone panel. And I have to say, I didn't have a hysterectomy, but when I hit menopause, what changed everything for me was testosterone. I needed the estradiol patch, I
Mhm.
needed my progesterone to sleep, but testosterone made me feel like myself again. It really reawakened my sexual desire.
Yes, yes. So you have to find what works for you. And finding a good practitioner that will listen to your symptoms, trust your body, trust what you're experiencing. I mean, I think the numbers from a blood panel, it's helpful because you know where you are, but how you feel is super
Mm.
important.
And your orgasm is always with you. Will it shift? Does it
Mhm.
change? I watched Betty at 91 still have orgasms. It changed for her the sensations, but it's still there. And what's key is just like we do when we were younger, keeping the connection with the body.
Yes.
The more that we touch, the more we feel and keep going and self pleasuring. And Laura, you still practice penetration.
Oh, yes, I do. I do. I typically take an orgasm first before I penetrate, either solo or with a partner. It just makes penetration feel better. I think I know then once I orgasm that I'm really fully aroused. And after I orgasm, that's when I want penetration. Usually for my first orgasm, I don't. So think about what you find pleasurable.
That's my favorite Betty story.
Mhm.
When she was 70 with a 27-year-old boyfriend,
Yeah.
and she said would start first
Hmm.
and take her first orgasm, and he would be in the other room and say, "I'm gonna pleasure and I'll call you when I'm ready."
Hmm.
And when she was ready, she would whistle for him to come
Yeah.
in. And like it's kind of kinky and erotic.
Hmm.
And that way she has that first orgasm wave and then she's ready for penetration.
Right, right.
So you can send us your questions.
Mhm.
Send it right here, put it in a comment, and we'll answer.
That would be great. We'd love to hear from you.